This video gives the solution for some practice questions of the GRE Graduate Record Examination Quantitative Reasoning. This is the second quarter of test 2. The first question is to find the constant k where the quadratic equation x squared plus kx minus 6 equal to 0 and one root of this equation is 3. If we have a quadratic equation x squared plus kx minus 6 equal to 0, it is usually x squared minus sum of the roots times x plus product of the roots equal to 0. So when we compare these two equations, we get the sum of the roots to be negative k. Since the roots are 3 and if I am taking the other root as t, 3 plus t will be negative k. And the product of the roots is negative 6 and the product in this case is 3 times t. So we have got two results, 3 plus t equal to negative k and 3t equal to negative 6. From this, if I am trying to find what t is, the value for t will be negative 6 by 3, which is negative 2. Plugging in this value in the previous equation, I get 3 minus 2 equal to negative k, or negative k is 1, which gives me k equal to negative 1. So the quantity A is k equal to negative 1, quantity B is also negative 1, and hence the two quantities are equal. The next question, the original price of a suit was 30% less than the suit's $250 suggested retail price. So the retail price is $250. The original price will be 30% less than the retail price. So 30% of 250 minus, subtract this from 250, that gives me 175, that is the original price. The price at which the suit was sold was 20% less than the original price. So the sales price will be 20% less than the original price. So it is 175 minus 20% of 175, which gives me 140. This is my quantity A. But quantity B is 50% of the retail price. 50% of the retail price is 0.5 times 250, which is 125. So in this case, the quantity A is greater than the quantity B. In the ninth question, we have got two shapes. One is a rectangle, the other one is a trapezoid. We have to find the area of these two diagrams. The area of the rectangle is the length times the width, 8 times 3. And the area of the trapezoid will be half of sum of the parallel sides divided by the height. The sum of the parallel sides are 7 and 5 and the height is 4. So the area will be half of 7 plus 5 divided by 4, which is 3 halves. And hence, quantity A is greater. In my 10th question, I have got two integers j and k such that the difference j minus k is even. If I consider the different possibilities that when both are odd, the sum as well as the difference is going to be even. When both are even, then again the sum and difference is even. When one is odd, the other one is even, the sum as well as the difference is going to be odd. If I multiply two even integers, the product is going to be even. When I multiply one even, the other odd, it is even. But when both are odd, it is still going to be odd. In our case, it looks like this j, we are trying to get an even integer. The even integer is only when both are odd or both are even, the sum or difference is going to be, the difference is going to be even. both should be odd and both should be even. Simultaneously, the product must be even. The product is even only when both are even. So JK is even. So your answer is B. The next question, question number 11. We have two circles, one touching the other, and the second one, the small circle is lying totally inside B, and it touches at the point B. And also the radius of this circle, small circle AB, is 1/4 of the radius of the other circle, because A is the center of the larger circle. So the radius of the largest circle will be twice the radius of the inner circle. Or in other words, if the radius of the small circle is taken as R, then the radius of the large circle will be 2R. We have to find the fraction, the ratio between the area of the small circle with the area of the large circle. So area of the small circle is pi r squared, area of the large circle is pi 2r the whole squared. When you simplify, you get pi r squared by 4 pi r squared, or 1/4, and hence the answer is 1/4. The next question, it says Kate spends between 1/4 and 1/3 of her gross income on her mortgage payment. If she spends 13,470 on her mortgage payment, which of the following could have been her gross income last year? Since she spends 1/4 and 1/3 of her gross income, this mortgage 13,470 will lie between thrice the 13,470 and 4 times 13,470. So this will be her last year income. That is, the last year income will lie between 40,410 and 53,880, which is nothing but B, C, D, and E. So this video helped us to understand the solutions for the practice questions we found in quantitative reasoning for the graduate record examination, test 2, the second quarter of it. So we have done 6 problems here to understand the method of answering the practice quantitative reasoning. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for listening and watching.